Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Peugeot 307 and 307cc with a 2 liters petrol engine. The procedure is similar for other Peugeot cars, even petrol and diesel. The right engine mount that we're going to remove and replace is the one over there as the engine mount. Before starting to remove the engine mount, first we're going to put a jack underneath the engine so that it holds it in place while we remove the engine mount. So these are all the bolts that we need to remove in order to remove the engine mount. 4 and 3, 7 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the right engine mount out. Next I'll show you how to put on the engine mount. Procedure is exactly in the reverse way. We put it on and tighten the bolts. After we tighten the bolts, we can remove the jack from under the engine, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.